Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're finishing off issue 33. We have the parts for stage 126 right here, so let's just take a look at what we got and go from there. Alrighty, y'all. So here are the parts we get with this issue. We've got 2 wheel lock pole bases, a telescopic leg base, right front wheel leg, wheel lock pole, wheel leg fixing, wheel lock, telescopic leg upper, telescopic leg lower, the right front wheel, and 4 T-racks. Clearly we're not going to be finishing the gurney in this issue, which is very sad. What's more is the right front leg is going to attach just like the left front leg did, so I don't really have anything new to show you there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get that assembled, and we'll see if we're going to be doing anything with these T-racks. All right, here we are. Yet another leg done. 3 down. And it looks like we will indeed be applying those T-racks. So we're gonna flip this thing over. Ooh, I may play with some of the screws here to tighten this up a little more. But we'll flip this thing over and put T-rack number 1 right here. Now there is a post on it, which will go into that center area. So you know that you've got it lined up just right. And then again here and here and here. And we're going to be putting YP screws in from the top to hold it in place. And there you go. All of the T-racks are installed. This is going to be a very short video when I'm done with the editing, I know. But we have made progress. I even did a little tightening here so this doesn't flop around as much. Actually at all anymore, so woohoo! And we've got these 2 things right here and another base. So we are ready to rock when the time comes for the next issue. Sadly, that is it though. That is all we've got for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.